Hello everybody. I can uh, explain and share about the timing chain, the engine 2.0, 2.4 liter diesel D5 engine, popular xc60, xc90 volvo. You can abandon my you can use my my document that I share now. It is very important for you can use to remove all the. This is the step by step the engine guide and help a technician through the process, avoid the complicate, ensure that the first rep pro rank red for red processional job as with the premier drive system job. The work should be undertaken when the engine is cool. So ideally the vehicle will not have been run for at least 4 hours. You know, technician, you must know must be 4 hours before you work on the timing belt. Start by remove engine cover, then front, then wheel cover and expose to belt and necessary try. Use the special slot to slacken off the the belt tension. Then remove the belt followed by the 5 crankshaft pulley boy. Why? That T-dot and right high detector. Remove the crankshaft pulley and then tension. For underneath, take off the engine seal, securely support engine, remove engine lower link, return top, remove cold fluid reservoir, upper engine support rock and mounting plate, remove the faster, support the hydraulic pipe by timing cover, release the return clip, remove the cover. Using the central crankshaft pulley ball rotation crankshaft, so that crankshaft and crank pulley timing reference are launched, then loosen timing belt and remove belt following by tension as the crankshaft pulley knots the wheel direction is lowered. The picture 2, you see this ensure that is correct on the cam, then the camshaft always in detail. Take off the underlay point, rear timing belt cover, allow water pump. A flushing cooling system, remove any debris, cover both line. Careful position, it is relation to the pin housing before the new water pump. Now it's still replace the alternator pulley, remove the bolt security alternator water hose about it to be able to turn the alternator. In order to remove the replace alternator pulley with the, you see this one, just take this one 25 Newton meter. Use the pen Makira easy cam point. Following the new timing belt, ensure the correct direction. We are lay point. Then 24 to 27 Newton meter, depend on the engines. Color the center turn the crank to rotation and check the engine timing remains correct, providing it is the refit crankshaft point is central bolt to 300 Newton meter and 4 bolt 35 Newton meter plus 20 degree. Refit the new component. Then I mark here about you must take this one 27 Newton meter, 20 Newton meter. Just thank you for watching. Thank you so much.